Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you how to take the front windshield off of this 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We've already taken off the doors and the roof of this Jeep, so now we're going to show you how to put down the front windshield. So we're taking the T40 to unscrew the two bolts that are on either side of the front visor on the driver's side. So I'm just going to unscrew these and then I'll do the ones on the passenger side. So now that we have those four taken off of the windshield, our compartment is full of all of the different bolts that belong in the Jeep. Okay, so the last thing we need to do before we can fold down the windshield is take off the wipers. So we have our socket handy, and then we're going to take off the caps first. So we're just going to pop off the cap. Like that. And then we'll just do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so the last step is to lay down the windshield on these rubber protectors on your hood there. And that's it. And now with the doors off, the roof off, the windshield down, it is ready for you to take on the road, on those trails, anywhere you want to go.